Wait till you see how easy it is to carve your own spiles. So I'm out here today working on my spiles. These are the ones I've finished. Got a bottle down there waiting to go in the next tree, and these are the next ones I'll be poking the middle out of. Made myself a nice warm fire. I might try, heating up the poker and seeing if that makes it go through there a little bit easier. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the day by the fire while the dogs are running around, and then we'll tap some trees. All right, let me show you how this is so easy. So as I said, these are the preferred branches from the Staghorn sumac. Just getting past the fuzz stage. About 6 inches long. They cut really easy. They even get a little sappy at the end, and you see my hands get sappy all over. So I tried a dowel first, but this skewer worked the best. You start from this pith area, and look how easy. If it's a more mature branch, it's going to be a little bit harder. Look at this. It goes in almost all the way through the first pass. And you do that successive times until you ream it out and you get a nice opening that you can actually, see through all the way to the other end. Like, let me get you a good example of one. Here, I just finished this one. Like this one. You trim up the ends. The 2 inches goes into the tree. And that's all there is to it. Little notch for the bottle. It works up very easily. Like this one. This one's been, there's nothing left in it. I'll work on the new one a little while. Get all the gunk out. And then I'll trim it up. And it'll be ready to go. Like these. So happy with this project so far. I have my first gallon container 1/3 filled overnight. It was just the first night. It was the first night that met the conditions. So I feel very enthusiastic about the upcoming season. Awesome. So this is the first spile I've inserted in the tree. I put it in about 2 inches. Sap's not running yet. I think it's a little early. But there's the notch. And this is the container I'm using. I put a hole in the side here. And it's going to be pretty cool because when I put this on the spile, it's covered and it's protected, and all I have to do is open up the cap to see what's going on inside. So these bottles are really, really strong. I hope they'll be very successful for me. I'm gonna start saving them up. So I have like 2 of them right now. It should be the easy thing to do here. See, I'll show you. I already tried this one. And you put it on and insert it till you get to the notch, and then it's on there good and tight, and all I have to do to check it is go like that. You can see in there, nothing in there yet, but yeah, I'm really pleased with this so far. Now let's just see what happens when the sap starts to run. This will be my test tree, my test spile. Once I start seeing stuff come out of there, I won't put anything else in the other trees until I do see it running. But so far so good. you can see that, but the sap is running down the back of the tap. Up here, the tap is a little wet. And there's the end of the tap. And the best part is, in my container is frozen sap. But look at, wait a minute, let me see if I can get you that. There it is. My first sap. Alrighty. I'm so excited. Look, it's starting to come back out of the tap. Let's see. Put it down. Look at that. I'm so excited.